mwakili LSK Rwangindo batongeretwo ni mukariritie wa Mount Kenya Mutuma Buria ndikiwatanirite na mwakili Bangi wika mathaga yonthe na kurea ukinya ndene ya koti. Mwakili Barbara Olota muambithania munene Martha Koome ndikiraba kuwa na witithia na mbere ungumania rwangine rwa uambithania. Muthuri Muriuki na ribotie.
Muthuri Narua kiama kia mwakili ndene kaunti Meru kiombere kuwatanira Bangi ndene Kenya na kioti kingi ni kuthaba kinyiria mantu ya ngukumo jaba kuja gwitana mbere muno kikoti.
It is unfortunate that we are here again for around the third or fourth time to address the same problem, corruption. Now, after committee Chief Justice, we had a meeting as Meru, as Mount Kenya lawyers. We met the Chief Justice. We addressed one single item by corruption. Na tomwira ore mago fight corruption, at least make it punitive. At least muntu ya na million noe mwankoroki ngiri thano. Ndori ngiri thano etoka wa brokwenda. It has become the cheapest. I mean the cheapest institution in terms of corruption. The other day, when Martha took over, judiciary was the most corrupt in Kenya, even after police. We have now overtaken everybody. We have overtaken everybody. We are having a trophy, Martha Koome, Curtis of Martha Koome. We are having a trophy, the most corrupt institution.
Na batu tu atongeria tukugana ndi no monka judiciary change. Na robo kuona kwa antu bagwatwa na turuga tukugana ndi bau bagwatia umbere. Tote eta court chao monkarera bakebera courtini na investigation yuchidire. Let them step aside. Monka corruption cases yube nacho chiambe cheberwe kana chidire. It is your right kuthikirwa courtini ojaure right mwananchi wote or the public atibatere gutonya muko kenda omba uwa kugutethia kumba kugita igamba urari tibatere kuthwarikari
gote judiciary tweneo gote gento go expect ke judiciary thai magistrates na judges ibo bagukinya mbeca zaidi ya borisi thaiyo kethirwa ogeta ke OCS no ogeta ke magistrate kuina rais kire ugo kunkuma magistrate zaidi ya kunkuma OCS
kiwa kagita ka ukinya Martha Koome kumotongerene kutha kwina urungika kimanthuje magamba
nkukumano etutwire kurwa ni mono lakini amba bauge nkukumano batwire go protect Martha Karambu Koome tukwaria muno mawakili ba ko demonstrate ja maingi lakini nande ukinya muthia Martha Karambu Koome gakana kwa ithura gageta thura inyagethwo iruju tutiumba gwithwa twina Chief Justice utikumenya uria kuthithia.
We are not warning her, tunasema she is incompetent or we are appointed. It's unfortunate that Kenya will appoint the most useless, the most incompetent Chief Justice, and it is true wingo bokona
akiwa ngukumano iji kimanthuje magamba itumite antu babangi bagikioto na bagetana mbere kwaria mwanga kuthwa kwina urungika
mantu ja ngukumo uturo tukaraho ja support tukurwana jo miaka mingi muno na tukenderea kurwana jo kwou etendo ekathira ugo inaru akitwaria tutigira au tukenderea kuthingatia mantu jaja monka twakikise mwananchi agutumirwa akuona akiewe na mitaratara ekuthithwera ebati kuthingatwa nonto Chief Justice ekaraja tuigwa.
Kila siku ya Wednesday tutakuwa kwa barabara na tutahakikisha ya kwamba Martha wametii. Is that Martha atatii. Martha atafanya nini? Na magistrates watafanya nini? Na judges watafanya nini? Kwa hivyo
Muthuri Muriuki, Uru TV, Mutizokanga.